Welcome to the overview of the URL Shortner tool. To access this tool, you're going to go to the toolbar on the left. You're going to scroll down to Business Center. You're going to go down to URL Shortner. Once you've clicked there, it's going to take you to a page looking like this. Now, the URL Shortner is a great tool if you would like to cookie any link, for an example, with your Build It All affiliate link, so that when someone clicks on that link and eventually lands on a Build It All checkout page, you will be the person to get that commission. Now, to create a new short link, you just need to click on this blue button, complete the information as requested, and hit save. All your short URLs will be grouped below. You will be able to edit it, preview it, look at the report of that specific URL, copy to use it on your website, social media, or emails, as well as delete. That is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in another.